Direct D anoints Myers as DeCastro Heir. Christopher Direct D Ruff took time out of his 8-hour-long livestream Saturday night into Sunday morning to anoint controversial YouTuber Lane Myers as the new top constitutional law scholar on YouTube. While pointing out that Myers was chaotic and often asked crazy in courtroom, but isn't wrong in his view of the law, Ruff endorsed the growing idea that Myers has replaced Jose "Chili" DeCastro as the top activist fighting for change in the courtroom. Unlike DeCastro, who has become shy around police officers, showing great fear of returning to jail after a stint for a conviction that was later overturned earlier this year, Myers has shown great strength in his ability to verbally manhandle police, judges, and politicians, and somehow avoid extended stays in jail. The always expressive YouTuber known as Paul Unslaved added to the criticism of DeCastro recently by triggering DeCastro and DeCastro's own side chat during a live stream when he announced that constitutional law scholars don't hire attorneys to get them out of jail. They fight their battles in court themselves. DeCastro created the term constitutional law scholar for himself, which he has stated somehow gives him the rights of a lawyer without needing a law degree. Over the years, DeCastro has used the false title to attempt to pass himself off as being on the level of a lawyer, often going so far as to sell legal documents online as part of his established services. There is no record of DeCastro passing the bar in any of the states he's been active in, nor does he officially claim to be a lawyer, and he uses the title as an alternative. He's managed to obtain the power of attorney in at least one case he's documented on his live streams, and has advised such people as Deborah Rogers and Floyd Wallace in lawsuits that ultimately either failed or were voluntarily dismissed. Criticism of DeCastro in recent days has had the auditing community look to an alternative to his antics. Faith has been lost in DeCastro as he has backed away from the term, which again supposedly gave him the rights as a lawyer without needing to pass a bar exam, and has relied on more and more actual lawyers to handle his legal matters. As Lane Myers grows in popularity, with Ruff's endorsement instantly skyrocketing him to increase fame, there are those who say that Myers is the true law scholar, as he actually practices what he says he knows in ongoing court cases throughout Arizona. Ruff also addressed YouTuber The Angry Vet on his late-night live stream. He said that it was proven that The Angry Vet was lying about having an active nonprofit organization, as his campaign was never registered with the Internal Revenue Service. He called The Angry Vet a scammer who was ripping off fellow veterans during the holiday service, and called for the vet to either disband his campaign or legitimately file the organization with the IRS. Ruff's livestream was still live as of press time,